Ana Kwame Gyan dey na koso.
Abrani. Anyu boy am the pa.
Sugar me koko.
Yes. Come up.
But me say auntie de.
As a kiddie, that's why slow pa or Plato. Yantininka.
Oh, he's there.
I don't kind of management one.
Me who no snap a check. No.
As a kiddie, I slow pa, mama pa. Or like first not. Oh, David, see, and you cry. What the kidding count?
Tell me your tronium, you never know. He might need some time to write song. No say he's done this before. Or come by be or so yare or so no next yare.
Me need DJ Kobo cry and a bon come on crack catch him so or koto. And I'm say, kiddie pay koto cry no be a great mukuma.
Or more following the money.
I want more follow bang.
Or more that hard fast.
Me follow no. Facebook, Instagram.
Me follow no snap or post yache. Post yache. It's been a while. I mean, you want to
Charlie,
what
because Charlie
hear from you.
Maybe at least BB. Oh, Kitty, are they?
Or starve more.
And I need no morning turning yet my year. At least.
Oh, I feel brony.
If you are a guy,
brony, I feel.
If you are a guy, pa.
Still working.
And I be intimidated do the things.
I'm sure he's just busy. He's just writing things.
Busy is writing. I don't know try.
He don't know question to Krumba say ya, but me power bear trouble. I believe him. Or no, on come.
Is that the management? Oh, okay, the management.
Oh,
nah. I do some music.
Musicians for some fun home. I am a musician.
Yes, of course.
Incoming musician.
Sir. Oh, something we establish ana.
They be yes. My wife from first can come establish. Sir. Me train
emerging artists.
Yeah.
We are emerging artists.
Up and coming.
That be up and coming here to road. Imagine.
Not just a thing.
I winner up and coming now.
But different.
Artists. So polish word in kakra. Imagine artists. I do some record label na sign on. Yeah, I do some music record label. I do a bit jigu.
And you, I don't know where you my main story is at the buy.
Hey, I'm patching in here. Abena.
Nana.
Yeah, ben now throw BC.
Metro BC 2011.
2011. Eh, acho.
Oh, me a penyo.
Na chapa.
Oh, bra.
Robert. Yeah, ben now throw BC.
Robert BC 2018.
Hey.
Metro BC. Metro BC ya me so that me negative 55.
Where
negative 55. Hey.
Negative 55 wom.
Afia Felicia ko me se meba, o so ko me se meba. Hey. BC.
What your BC we na? What's that?
2013. Sasa na me BSS.
Robert Tro BC
2013. Odi ma chiba etre, ma chiba me sana no. O we
madam.
We have to. Me penyo.
Madam ni. Mumbisa Nana Kwame obey mame ocho BC a year ben. Mumbisa Nana Kwame obey mame ocho
2014.
Oh, Nana Kwame obey. Oh, headmaster. Ocho BC 2014. And the 10 years in here, ocho BC.
2014 no USS.
Sir.
Oh, Nana Kwame.
Mumbisa Henry dear ocho no
2001.
That be 86.
Nana Kwame so 94. No, it's 30 years.
Ocho 94. Mimi say Henry the ocho 86.
Wow, my mouth can control. So when you would.
Yeah, so
go school, bank. What's when he said, what's his team? Oh, her time out there school. Who's seeing her time out there? When you woo.
And the Henry trying the 86. And I was trying the 97. We actually the last batch, yet throw 12 subjects.
Which was
97, yes.
Are they?
We were the last batch. Yet throw 12 subjects. 12. Was then and say throw 8 to say 9 or 7 be nanzana. Yeah, time the throw 12. Back 12.
BC no.
BC 97.
Who you saying?
I put a me 20 something.
Sir? Unya school first choice and second choice.
Oh, school be me Odobi ho baby.
Name free akome.
Oh, manko.
Do call him.
Because ATTC. Because ATTC Accra, yes.
Me dem my first choice Ola girls. And a second choice say we mean kai but my third choice and me
Oh, okay.
Adventist Girls Senior High School, my third choice.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Most of mobile chicken walls was a kitchen wall.
Doing
Kitchen.
Hey, Abena.
Kitchen was.
And then Monday, I'm trying.
On back kitchen was the Mura.
Yeah, Mura. Mula. And the Yama BC for now, much no one much BC na mobile trinkwa. Omunko na omuntu me passing omuntu me impenimpa. Ehunya pa obia otro bia no. Mamu trinkwa pa wa otro bia no yankopon enhya wodin. Na ntumi ntwa. Abnai.
Nana.
Yemmon rem na me fa message bia. Me am chairman e de abetudwa emfa start me stories no. Me chairman Chris Wado am a message bi. Na message no me obi di message to one ma me read message na. Me read ko chire ma boy ma. But before I made the message in my bano, what do I break him? Benji break.
You could try home rest, yeah.
I don't try the engine cash, but I win your catching is very important. I don't know.
The luckiest star 712 luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah.
Here's to the friends who dialed star 712 and found no regrets. To the investors who struck gold. To the health workers who diagnosed luck with precision. To the tough guy who couldn't hold back his tears. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hard-earned stitches into a bundle of happiness. And now, here's to you. Your next big win is right here.
Luck is everywhere for everyone. The luckiest.
Dial star 712 Now join in the luckiest winning celebration. Every 1st July 2024. Over dial star 712 Now I cost to tickets as a group, individual, and now even as a community. Now when is the car prizes are in the community draw or go for the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with star 712 Now join in the winning streak now.
The luckiest
Star 712
luck is everywhere for everyone, yeah. The luckiest.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junemo.
I'm off with me so I'm eco breaking out. Come join the studio because I had the I'm Mechama ka me na asem na mechama kan no na me pese me do na ma bi nkakra Chris Wado edin komo bi na Robert fatu suma me na abena ready ma me na me fam tudwa na Chris kan no na me explain it.
It's AMG Chris Wado. MG baby.
The baby na so any
what for me mama psycho Robert at the corner ya kind of way. Anyhow.
Robert sent to there.
Oh, I did see many baby everyone. No be can as a Fabra or Chessa or the Abba. Or the Abba. You can mess up your life if you associate with aimless people, Chris Wado advises.
Asama Chris King.
Chris Wado know what else. Remember Chris Wado ya na muhu.
Mon join us on Facebook.
Yes. AMG. See you.
Mon join na mo share AMG Chamano.
You can mess up your life if you associate with aimless people or more or muni aim.
Asam yo kan ye no asam reading no be me no be ding obi so be ana as a showboy one in China showboy no I say on che ni aim won I'm to ask some no be.
Me sure because somebody say post is saying chain. Me sure. Date be no.
That be me ba. Ebi na show boy na mo hono na o say show boy oni aim.
Debi.
Ana
me entwe nko ho kire say. Time no need agro cry. So see you can mess up with your life if you play with and I say mess with aimless people. Me sure because they've been playing for a very long time.
Okay.
Nanya misunderstanding anu them I'm not sure some community
metete. So betu ni obi say they are good to on yes was pa but na as all managing is
Unya for na what in take
to akoko dada na
me penen na ya
me pen up manuko adaze and but I have to on the other hand no I have to kase pa memfa obi a oni aim
tremo yonkra me tro me
suban obi oni aim de enenem nante as a friend oni aim on na wiase keke on bibi abeke
oni ni so ade hunu bia
na so on ni nambi
yemfa ha na wodi akire koye we no okọ
ontumi nwie ma Onua no indecisive
ubusa na asem kro ontumi nya adwini bia nka mfa ho
you see obi so oye indecisive so there
you can't be with the person for too long to choose your friends, know who you play with, know who you discuss stuff with. Abrabone no Abrana
wedding day asabai na wo ye hwenim say obesa mayen
my wedding day dey measure that crackers brown
Abana
on the dance crew no ma ba kire masa
wedding no
na me ka se me dance no ka se me ni omu na links ana
ayewo
Abana
se me na zo kan ya sa no wedding day no o ma Chris Brown and the dancers
aba kire masa
if you are kire ba kire wasa
yes men sa come bia organ ha nya fa na be ya ma piano say me wedding day me na wedding for ni Johnny Jam ni me kune me wedding day boogie down Ariba down me wedding day men sa bia come bia obi ahu da o ye hye da invent
o kwa invent asafoforo ya na bra no wa asaya ya wuta wa anu
ana me hye se nya me wedding day nya so bi na mbesa o se bia me wedding day mo se ba ma piano na me ye say me my make up aboard sam be me ni say me nyesa
Ready?
Mesa sapa.
Sa.
Me de ma ha. High fell say.
Abatwe.
Yeah. Ma bakon, ma beti. Ko to dwe. Me wedding dey asa mesa.
Wo de beti form.
Me ye nema bebre.
Wo da batwe e beti form na no kom beti form asa. Abana.
Wo de munya abotre dan so a.
That and I say wedding na batete.
Say me hwe sam ho bebre. Mo team bia na tada meshi
sa
de munya botre
sa na my witness wedding be over the weekend
okay
na asana dangerous
me yenhwe
asana hu pa ansa peja ya wedding e wo boase weekend no na ansa peja sabi o saye no na gan kwa yemhye no we say o transit di kokosa di bibre sa atase
Asa peja nesa no.
Hwe. Wala bom there yes. Infantini bakere wala bom bibi. Ansa peja sa no osa no.
Hwe.
Join us on Facebook. Ode Adama mo join on Facebook. Na mo mbehwe ansa peja obi oye we. We jana jere no wo.
Ano join dancers no.
Eti so de nzana be yana. Ansa peja jana jere no. We jana yere una dana tia faso.
Energy.
Aye. Asapeja jana yere no mo asapeja.
Na se do si free akwan no ho be da no ho be gina o mo nche.
He. Wa dia wi ansa. Wa dia wi.
Yes, wedding end back up into dan de dra.
Me so say na again crack on dream say ye we dey me hu ansa woda ye.
Was surprised.
We can't surprise pa.
She was not expecting this.
Yes.
Honestly speaking, on my wedding day, if my husband stands up to dance like this, me hu de me.
Una be say.
I said, well, I don't know.
You feel uncomfortable?
Somehow,
say?
Because me say brain impact aside, not that was.
How did if you did do anything?
What so I general coin fa. Oko di mboni na.
Where you do that? Ajumboni once asabeje team does pa.
My dream bebre say dey na ko so sasa.
I'm so disappointed pa na sana osane pa. Yeah. Okotunu ne wo bi ani. Hey, abena. Asabeje sana chale.
Oh, he looked so happy.
Happiness nko.
Eh na kwa me do so abia be dey chase.
I do me so a. Da bi according level of energy on this na engu pa.
Oh.
Energy no ye unusual energy. Asabeje minim no energy we ye Hey, power. Abena. Yeah. Me say o tunu na ya wo ayi nkwafo no mo so money. O tunu na ya wo dances nani. Yeah.
So bia da for mo bia you bia on because on kasa.
Yes. Asapeja ye ko campa. Na fi ko di wedding ya fi there. Asapeja okurisi no wa wo so.
So calm na the wedding die. Na no di ye.
Energy ba no. Energy we fi fa Asapeja. Man a page. Adaroma we dey ese do ba show nsu na obechirichiri man because energy we dey pa.
A big congratulations and come apejane na.
Apejane na wife.
Congratulations.
Me say o sa no kwa na wife no kwa na won ato no so. O say ade we me hu apeja ho da. Apeja we dey pa.
Aware nya easy o. Manesa na Kwame, manesa onu kwa ni mde ntia wo sasa no.
Sa onu kwa ni wo.
Onu kwa ni benim.
Sa o say bi mu ye wedding omusu. Oni ni de na nko yesu.
Debi akoya asa. Asa boni.
Ani de na koya asa boni.
Zo. Mi zo.
Asa ba jasa ne chale.
One in town.
Yeah. You we should suit na hasa this. Why we should suit, white suit. And hey. Oh, that anya kra.
Ono anu we de wono asa carry day no.
I'm so disappointed in this house. No,
I'm not because we a dancer, you understand.
Hey,
excitement
dancer.
Yeah.
I want to hear dancer. No.
It's so no kwa na me so won't tia so many ngune yere na tadim. Yeah, dear.
Edi
Otumi go bi.
Asapeja akogu memani na ni mase abadia.
Ugo bi.
Na dabi. Un say ese meye adwuma. Ese meye adwuma ntimi ankobi. Nti ohakogu enimase aba yate yedase. Asapeja nungwase adegogu ye wedding nase no. Edase say wotumegu meme na wogina meme na anim. Na wogu enimase. Ntimi ja meme na anim.
Ne dawase.
Adawase ene nungwase adigu ye within the weekend. Asabone ya ukudi ya ukutu na yakowo dance ni. Nya de sa. Nya de sa kra. Na mi kase mi gina meme na anim adawase na mi gina meme na anim so kase Chef Smith wo hifa mo fa ni video ntuma me. Abrane.
Me say sa chef wasem no. Me da ho na be si ntuma me tumi sra me ntiase o.
Abra Chef video ne de to so bi audio no na amanfo ntie.
Yo.
Lady. This is Lodina Mahama Onini Kunu. Sre Amadia Shopping Center. It's the former first lady. This is Lodina Mahama Onini Kunu. Sre Amadia Shopping Center. Dr. Crete Nanaboro. David Sre Assemblyman Honorable Ibrahim Dauda. Honorable Rashid Ghana Fujina Ghana Fananyina ni US nyina Ghana Chef Association obi bia odin na onde ni nim de ebeta ekukato nachi se Ghana pose mfame boni chame mafom kese ensese betina sibi mumpo mise
Sister no sheblu ne no so ankoto o se hwan udi se mhunu sa de de ntina me nkoto
ukoye bitufo
o se no gina na Robert ko back na ha de o se do she red ne koto ye
no no gina ho
right ni more help mo bra Facebook am ha de do sheblu ne de o se da
me because oh queer be too full.
There's a Santana me dem sorry. O man na half a day. Okoto kura na mfiri na komem.
Mfiri na komem.
Na ne manager na ono o ko sign we no man fans on na record o man na.
Minimo na ayo ba bi na aye we record o mo.
She jo blue no na ni he cameraman no.
Enti no utie video ni background for now at some point no oba na chere ni on kakra nka ho. Oye we no o record.
Da mem. O da mem o market chire. Sister na o share ready no so ko obi obana ko pana jo fani ni wachi. Nanim ni su nhye nkran. Sister na o share ready say na hone na no. So when you should not be said, which I hear him mobo.
Obi akra fi mo.
Do say blue so dey nya na kuma mukura chese. Na chef me say no so na TV susu no.
TV susu. Mo bi afi no.
Me say me ti wo hwe papa yi video ya me say.
Abena.
Ade na chef me to yes ah.
Obo former first lady ni kunu ne amampani for so bia amfa ne born nche no. What it means is that I don't know here no ajetum say enye. Ohwe yemra ne muso a false publication is against the law. Ena eye Ghana din in odi ye no. And think about this time. Yache no e processing for court.
Na do share no atọ fam ho ana. Robert do share red no order from home no ho ana hwe
abena
hwe
abena me na bre pa
me analyze hwe do share red no wabu atọ fam ho je Sunday oye ni ma extra
abena me na bre pa o
ona di ani mu kwaje bisa ne ma na ana o mu na ko free chance man hwe se order fam hwe se order fam obenya se me kemba na o tutu Gas oye ekra na fam
azame ka wonti
ode
we dey make am
me say
bari so chef o ma che no
no onye mmobo
I say o ma che no because listen yan hwe ni ya on yan fa na seti example bi ama enchenema for no mo bana obia bedin se hunu sei na okọ free
the shepherd ne ni so nyem fa kwara mama hu hia me de sun de o sunu he de o se blue no de hwe ti se onyankod na ba hwe be pem chef Smith ano so na into aso de kasa wi
na mpa chane se Chef Smith no I say by this time a police for pick no
Robert sister ne o shepherd ne free camera no so
na omo process no to court ni oya no ne nia
nyama nkrofo ayi Chef Smith de
no meba it is against the law. False publication is against the law. Yes. It's against the law. And then there, whether or patrol when you know why they know it is against the law.
Yenchino.
Yes, Yenchino.
Oh.
Yenchino, you're processing for court as soon as possible. Or for them 6 months, 3 months, or bet you answer.
Now say yes, Guinness for crank has on you.
Listen. He didn't even apply.
Is he Guinness for someone else on your feet?
Okoyusu obi a code in a number and all the critics on the dear.
We intend to.
I intend what?
We no sign organize a press conference.
You see, and aquanum ebony trim person me di bonny way. You see,
na bre mama ya basa se mentumi anko ta na chi me di fe my guilt me di kwa na me ra ho se mentumi anko ta bra ya chi spente se ya manko my basa nu me ho asa manko
and owie so because he didn't even apply no create on niam no only even the moral right to even upload the video because you didn't even apply and you know they don't even know you.
Into why did he waste 33 days of his life?
You see now or try to justify say so na busuya edwuma hwa ade.
No, you sure 33 no kure duri.
Abena na say ono anga no onumadwen won trim. Onumadwen na ono anga adwen won trim. Owie na say obi ama attention no still nkofo wo mama attention. Mpeso mama attention. Then you organize a press conference. Odi a certificate anya papa.
Edi asha hwehwem.
Edi asha hwehwem be catch and say oh nkofo no up. Charlie.
Some guys are laughing the printing man printing press. Printing press even the printing side Guinness at the end man. Na dey catch e chichi wo mo be chichi obia.
Listen, abenai. Say ade we won. Say Chef Smith yanche no amfa na court. Amana nko dembe say a month or two bia. Obia ye bibi. Na se ya china ni be muso okay. Ye yenhwehwe animu. Yes, I'm telling you. Because nyoye no, it is against the law. Oye bibi na etiamra. Simple. False publication is against the law. Oye bibi na etiamra. They have to arrest the guy and someone in court. No mujeli no. I don't know. I don't know. As a Kunobia for info. Obia for Ghana for. Obia so an open oye. And say no. Now what be ye be makatichi or be we would him say who to say it won't be.
Sister no she blundo ho ka chen say Smith. Unu ya na me dia wo hu ba kire.
Me yes so ye tunifo.
Sister no she blundo kwa me gidi so tunifo.
Yes.
Na ye na shikura so koto fo mo ho bi no.
I'm just say tunifo pa. Ati say. Lie na ni Oni Henry. Ati say. Omu na to boy ifo. Omu na to boy ifo. Bo nti. I say ye che no. Yanchi Chef Smith. You find court.
And then Henry say, just say Chef Smith, the way no, what just a drink than trim. I will see a bonabasso.
Auntie Obia bet to me ask me. Obia bet to me ask me Ghana for. Now I can say I drink than trim.
When you can down come patcho.
Yes,
I can't then the China also go to you.
I need to answer open mobile. May say they should arrest this guy.
And I've been here video but I don't even deserve to leave.
You don't even there. I don't where. We even don't deserve to leave.
Yeah, no, come inside the be and casa.
I know that
side of the statement so I can.
If you don't deserve to leave, and you're quiet.
No.
Listen. See, me and Pampa Sabio Obia Wajimi. Penny at Saw, who baby when you do. Abba, Abena. Ade.
Anka Fabian no cry coach school canteen, coach and school bimune, ne Judy.
Charlie, Udi ye bibi.
She.
No social media be.
The assistant no way.
What pacho?
Assistant have a patch.
Yeah, what pacho? Oh, I mean, Mampa new number. What pacho say? Yes, also no nim near to be. Yes, also no nim. On any day so no nim so or one and for. But on nim say agree. Yes, agree and tell what pacho? Until with this CV the whole with this all of us oh.
Yes, Ghana Chef Association crown kan ho.
On kan ho.
Ghana Chef Association crown. Oni license be say or say license now dey no dey no na print man ho. Or na that be printing press. Atade na that be ketra.
Abena onim say me forge public documenter. Me fan say documenter aban ensa wom say me forge almost certificate ni bi na me ye bibia ese yetumi cheme yes
she so crady
until enumpo and dan chain say what the CV all of us say or apply for Guinness record no and can dan chain the certificate no of 4G and crap in fact dangerous I say and so we just had to scratch no but on an amho wa pacha unto the namo amount for so be your mode sad na say obi koye similar na say fan say ye china mo beti yan kapa okroma no abera me wie mapon me call.
Oh well, I think he has apologized in no idea enkodi aban semna de aban fele so mo de yan no wanyade if anybody else out there has the intentions of doing something similar like this Pacho, think about it. Think thoroughly, and think about the consequences. So we are on found who need. Seb when nimbe guas, we bush on so nimbe guase. Before you decide to do something as big and as embarrassing as this.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,